Did you know? The ring was inspired by a real Japanese ghost story. It began centuries ago with a servant named Okiku. She worked in Himeji Castle, loyal, kind, and innocent. But one day her master accused her of stealing one of 10 priceless plates. She searched for days. The plate was never found. He told her, "Confess or die." When she refused, he threw her into a deep stone well. Days later, villagers heard counting echoing from the dark. 1, 2, 3, her voice trembling. 9, and then a scream. They say she still counts every night. And if you ever hear her reach 10, it means she's found you.